Question 2. Has this ever happened to you? Your garage door pops the metal because someone left something under the door, and your control arm the whole metal has been bent and popped off. Retracting arm here has busted from the aluminum, and the screws, and you would be out of a lot of money if you call a garage door repairman, when all you need to do is get you these aluminum studs for building out of the dumpster, and we're going to cut and trim and fix this issue. You're going to need a pair of aluminum cutters, hacksaw to knock this out. I'm going to take and remove any loose screws and parts that may be hanging. Get that out the way. Take your hammer and just tap. Get some of the bulging pieces kind of back a little. Be careful you don't hit the glass or knock the glass out, but try to get it flat if you can. I'm going to measure from the top and all the way down here to where the panel bends when it folds. You don't want to go past the fold. You can cut it off there. And the part that goes past this beam, you want to cut off the two sides and just leave it just a flat piece sticking up. So we want to mark that. Okay, we almost there. Okay, we got that off. Okay, let's try this again. These are trying to work. They're not working all that good. Had them a long time, need to upgrade or get them sharpened. Oh, that popped. Okay, well, let's try the other side. But it's trying enough pressure. Okay, there we go. Got that open. And I want to trim both those edges off. I'm recording a video. That should just break that off. Okay, I want this is what I'm looking for. This needs to slide up inside of my slot, so I did that on purpose. Okay, we're going to take and slide this under here. I'm going to slide it all the way behind this aluminum beam, and the flat piece will come out at the top, because we need to put screws from here, from this beam, into that beam. That'll give this support down here. If you fall down, come on this side, come on this side.
On back, said, you show me how to get up there. Okay, Ashley said, he knows I don't get up there.
I'm going to take some of the drywall screws that I took out of this thing just to get it to mount in place, and I'm ready to put the heavy duty screws in. I'm just going to take them and just get this in place. And I'm going to lift up on the thing and raise it to where it's supposed to be, level. And put some drywall screws from the dumpster. One to the left and one to the right, just to hold this up until I get the main screws in place. That went in wonderful.
And go.
And we're going to do the other side, and
No, it's not.
it's looking good already.
No.